Hello everyone. In last video we were discussing about the functions of lysosome. Let's continue about that. Mobilization of reserves. During long starvation, जब हमें लंबे टाइम तक खाना नहीं मिलता, in that condition lysosomes are responsible for the mobilization of reserved food to the cell. Intracellular squelching. Whenever the cell organelle get damaged, in that condition lysosome also squelch out this part. In this case, they perform the intracellular squelching. Sperm lysin. Lysosomal enzymes which are used for the breaking of limiting membrane of egg are also present in sperm lysin. Storage disease are also caused by lysosomes. Formation of thyroxine. In case of thyroid gland, active hormone thyroxine is formed through the action of lysosomes. Cell division. In case of cell divisions, lysosomes play an important role. The next part of our endomembrane system are vacuoles. Vacuoles are four types of vacuoles are present in case of living beings. The first one are sap vacuoles. Sap vacuoles membrane, or they are limited by a single membrane which is known as tonoplast. The fluid present inside this vacuole is known as sap, which contain minerals, salt, sugar, amino acids and rest of the things. Sap vacuoles are also responsible for many functions or many transportation materials, like the tonoplast has a site for passage of a number of ions and other materials into the vacuoles against the concentration gradient. That means tonoplast help for the transportation of different materials against the concentration gradient. They store the reserve food like the sucrose. Solutes present in a cell maintain in a proper osmotic pressure in the cell for its turgidity and water absorption. They play an important role in cell enlargement. The vacuoles store and concentrate the waste products. Some vacuoles also store the water-soluble pigments like the anthocyanin and anthocyanin, which provide color to the different plant flowers like the rose, violet, dahlia. The pigment also attract the pollinating agents and dispersing agents. Also, some of the plant vacuoles have special transport proteins at an acidic pH, a battery of hydrolytic enzymes, and function as lysosomes. Tannins are stored in vacuoles, cytoplasm, and cell walls. Latex is stored in vacuoles or the vacuole canals. Next kind of vacuoles are contractile vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles are present in some protistians and algal cells, which are mostly present in fresh water. A contractile vacuole has a highly extensible collapsible membrane, which also connect to a few feeding canals in case of paramecium. The feeding canals obtain the water with or without the waste products. Feeding canal जो है वो water obtain करती है, उसके अंदर waste product present हो सकते हैं, नहीं भी हो सकते हैं, और इसको surround करता हुआ cytoplasm present होता है. ये सारा का सारा वाटर पोर किया जाता है विद इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल वैक्यूल, जिसके रिजल्ट में कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल वैक्यूल स्वेलअप हो जाती है, और ये जो प्रोसेस है इसको हम कहते हैं डायस्टोल. जो स्वेलअप वैक्यूल है ये अगेन जाएगी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के पास, और जो वाटर कंटेंट था उसको रिलीज आउट कर देगी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू सेल से बाहर, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज टर्म्ड एज सिस्टोल. This throw the vacuolar content to the outside. So, contractile vacuoles play most important function during osmoregulation, which is required during the freshwater and habitat. So, next are food vacuoles. Food vacuoles occur in the protozoans, several lower animals, and phagocytic of higher animals. Food vacuole is formed by the fusion of phagosome with the lysosome. The food vacuole contain digestive enzymes and help to digest the material. The digested material passes into the surrounding cytoplasm, and the waste part is, by the process of exocytosis, removed out by the cell. Air vacuoles are also only present in prokaryotes. They are found mostly in the single entities. Neither it is surrounded by the common membrane. ये जो है ये aquatic organisms को bouncy provide करने के लिए available होते हैं, which are filled with air. So this is all about vacuoles and the endomembrane system. Thank you.